Hey everyone, back with another video. This time I'm back with another unboxing. This one is Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. Yeah, it just came in today. I've already kind of cut this open. So I got this on the official website. I'll leave the link below in the descriptions. It's $169.99, but I had a £10 coupon, so $159.99. And some of you, if you follow my channel, you know about a month ago for my birthday I bought myself a OnePlus Watch 2. As you can see, here it is, OnePlus Watch 2. Yeah, just like before I got into all that digital watch, when I watched, the regular watches, I always had like 2 or 3, sometimes 4, just to kind of swap around once a week, once a month. So I decided to do this. Yeah, I mean, for the price, Xiaomi is a good company. So yeah, let's unbox this. There was the black one and the silver one. Since the OnePlus is kind of silver, got a black one. So let's unbox it, see what's inside. I'm just gonna move it to the side like this. So unlike the OnePlus, it comes like a square box. It has like a, as you can see by the strap, it constantly does that. Which is a bit fun. This one, as you can see, is nice and flat. Watch, pretty good. This is kind of similar material, rubber. See what's inside. There is a fire truck just going past my window. You can hear the sound. Paperwork as usual. This model is just the Bluetooth, not the eSIM version. And you've got the charger. This is a bit different, unlike the OnePlus one where you can detach it. This is actually kind of like stuck to it. 2-pin, 2-prong to do the charging, and that's it. There's actually a sale on there now. For the $169.99 for the Bluetooth one, $199.99 for the eSIM one. But you know, I just want this for just watch, couldn't care less about eSIM. Alright then, let's just see. Feels pretty good. Let's see. Roughly the same weight. So this is a 1.43 inch screen, AMOLED, with resolution of 466 x 466, 326 ppi. Brightness is up to 600 nits. Well, like I said, I have to take the word. The strap is, what is it, 11, so 135 millimeters to 205 millimeters. So you can see here, you can just unclip this, unclip that, and you can change it about. Oh, let's just take this. Oops. Pretty nice, I would say. I like this. It's pretty deep black. Okay, here you are. Ooh, pretty good. So dimensions is 47.6 millimeters by 45.9 millimeters by 11.8 millimeters. So that's how thick it is, 11.8 millimeters. Let's compare that, shall we, with the Xiaomi. About the same, I would say. About the same face, I would say. Ooh, not bad. Cool. Feels pretty comfortable. What I'm going to do, I am going to power this up, connect it to my phone, and I will be back in an hour or so. See you later. Hey everyone, I'm back. So I've connected it, and this is a different phone I'm using to film, because I was using this phone to film, but of course I had to put in the software. So the software you had to download, unlike the OnePlus. OnePlus is using the O Health. So the Mi was Mi Fitness, which is this one. It's very similar. I mean, you got your health, workout, device, profile. I mean, I don't use my watch for that kind of stuff. I just I just use my phone to just track my steps. Apart from that, I use it maybe tracking my sleep patterns. Apart from when I'm having trouble sleeping, but I just need it for what the usual stuff. So this is very similar to OnePlus. You've got your usual stuff here: health, sleep, heart rates, steps, calories, moving, standing, oxygen, stress. It's actually got quite a lot more compared to the OnePlus one. Blood pressure, temperature, got even more. What it is here, so it's actually quite intensive. You've got workout. You can track where you go, so it gives you an overall. It uses GPS, but like I said, I have my own app for that, for just tracking my steps. You got device. You got one Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro, and the battery here. You can change all the watch faces. It doesn't give you as much as the OnePlus, but you just got to kind of go in and download it in the Play Store. Whoop, get back in there. So yeah, so it's very similar to that. Let me show you what I mean by similar. If I open up OnePlus's one again, you can see it's very similar in a certain way. Device, similar there, kind of like that. So let's get back into the Mi Fitness. So very similar as you can see, but like I said, I just use my watch for just regular notification. Anybody's calling me or texting me or WhatsApping me. That's about it. Maybe every now and again keep track of my sleeping when I'm having trouble sleeping. As for, like I said, walking, I got my own app for that, and just checking the battery life, and then every now and again just changing watch face. Cool. And I'll just show you what the watch inside looks like. Let me just, here you go. I use this face. Whoops. Let me just put my pin in. Whoop, there you go. Is the app. I use this one. You got one like this, which is just pretty normal. Then you got one you can change. It's like a list of stuff like that. So this is the watch face I'm using, and like I said, it's gonna be like wallpaper. I change it every couple of weeks or so. You can hold it down, edit here, move it. What's so good about this, unlike the OnePlus, this thing here in OnePlus was just for show. You can actually use this. Whoops. Let me get it. Probably the best way to use in apps. You can see this. You can rotate this up and down. Pretty good. But you know what? Emojis just use the touchscreen is actually much more simpler. So you can use that for that, right? And this one it just takes you back. This is the top button. You got two buttons, one on the top, bottom. This will take you to the fitness, of course. And you go back to the bottom one, take you to fitness again. But you can actually assign them in the settings itself. So let's go into the settings. You've got a whole bunch of apps which I probably won't use because I'm going to have my phone all the time with me, right? So you can just use your phone. The settings here, as you can see, whoops, usual thing, gestures, display, layout. Like I said, you've got layout for the apps, you've got the grid, you've got the list here. Tap on that, left strike, you can go back to the last menu. Apps notification, Google, sound, vibration, which it came with vibration, which I don't like vibration, so I just switch it off. The battery, advanced features, general, accessibility. So yeah, keep everything simple, and that's it. So far, I got to say that I actually prefer the OnePlus 2 watch interface a little bit better so far. But this is cheaper, like I said, £159.99, £160 compared to the OnePlus watch, £300 or £329 when it's full price. So this is actually not bad from that point of view. It feels great in the hands, nice and thick. And I keep on saying in my last video that I think I just prefer round watches. I can't stand those square kind of Apple watches and so on. You know, I mean, and even the Samsung ones, even though they've got a similar design, but they're too expensive in my opinion. And yeah, and we're gonna say feels great. I might change some of the straps. I gotta think these straps here doesn't feel as good as the OnePlus one, but like I said, it's a lot cheaper than the OnePlus one. What I'm gonna put it in my, just to show you, see how it looks on my wrist. Definitely more rigid to put it on. I mean, it's still good, nothing wrong with it. There you go. What I'm gonna do, put the OnePlus on my left side, and then we can compare it. I'm actually struggling. I'm so used to putting watches on my right hand, even though I'm right-handed, which is weird. I know. There you go. What do you reckon? Which one do you reckon looks better on me? OnePlus or Xiaomi? Pretty good. Pretty good, I might say so myself. I think overall, I think the OnePlus has a better watch face because you've got the numbers here. This one's more cleaner, so if you like the clean cut ones, this is definitely worth it. So overall, not bad. So I'm going to do like maybe once a week, change them about, and maybe buy some straps for this one. So straps, I think the only thing is the straps kind of let it down a little bit, because you can see the straps on the OnePlus does give it a bit more characteristics and feels much more a premium material, as what you can see here. This one is just your standard black rubber. Like I said, half the price, nearly half the price compared to OnePlus. Not complaining. Strap's going to cost you what, 20, 25 pounds, maybe 30 pounds depending. So I'll probably buy a strap or something like that. Well, anyway, that's it for this unboxing, a little quick overview. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're in the world. And please do stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.